lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing both of the Target beauty boxes. So, if you don't know, this is a subscription where you go in, you order it, and then every month it gets taken out of your bank account. What this is every month they come out with either one box, sometimes up to 4, and you get to choose if you want it that month or not. So the one good thing about this is they give you sneak peeks to see if you want to purchase it or not. So for the month of April 2020, they had 2 boxes. I don't remember exactly what's in both of them, but I remember liking both of them, so that's what we got. So if you want to see what is in the April 2020 Target beauty boxes, and is it worth the $7 a piece, then just keep on watching. All right, so this just came in the other day, and I wrote them down. So this one here is the Clean Routine. As you can see, still has the plastic on it. And this one here is Spring into Clean. Right there. And they're both $7. Sometimes they range up to $10, depending on what it is. All right, so let's open her up and see. So yeah, this one is the Clean Routine. All right, so that's what it looks like without the plastic on. These are really good boxes to keep. They're very sturdy, so. And it comes like this with some tissue paper. And then there is a sneak peek. I definitely always think they're definitely worth the $7. Then you always get a $3 coupon. This expires August 6th of 2020, so you still have a few more months. And you get $3 off any beauty purchases of $15 or more. And then so this right here tells you what everything is. It doesn't give you prices, but it gives you a little information about each product. So that's good. All right, so I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see. So the first thing is from Hello. This is a hemp seed oil and coconut oil. Right there. I thought this was, is this a toothpaste? Yeah, this is a toothpaste. My husband likes the brand Hello. He likes the black toothpaste. That's the charcoal one. He loves that. So when I seen this was gonna be in here, that's why I purchased the box, for him to try this one. So this is a BBA-free toothpaste, and yeah, it's a plant-based materials. It's all organic. So we have that. Then we have this charcoal-infused tapered bristles. This is a BPA toothbrush. So this is a bamboo, and it's so funny. Let me turn these lights down a little bit. And what's funny is I get these a lot at TJ Maxx, and I use them to do my little edges, and my daughter uses these for her edges. But I'm glad that they both are together, so you get to try that. So he will have that to try. Then we have this serum. This is a Art Natural, it's a vitamin C serum. And vitamin C is really, really good if you have any dark spots or skin damage, and it's to brighten up your skin. So I'll probably use this. So then we have this deodorant. So this is all like natural stuff right here, and he loves this type of stuff as well. Let's see what this says. This is a La Vanilla Pure Healthy Vanilla deodorant. It's all natural, freshly scented deodorant. It's packed with antioxidants. It's beta-glucan technology that not only fights odor, but nourishes, strengthens, and soothes the skin. All right, so we have that. And last but not least is a hand cream. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Milk and White Jasmine. And this is really good because, you know, guys, we're always washing our hands. A lot more hand sanitizers. So my hands are awful dry, so this will be good. But I'll give him this whole box since I got it for him. So let's recap everything we got for $7. So we have a hand cream. We have a vitamin C. This is probably about the only thing that I will use. We have the natural deodorant, we have the natural toothpaste, and we have the natural toothbrush. So I think that's definitely worth the $7. And then you get a $3 off. You can use it. And you can also use these for your boxes as well. So really you'd pay $4 for. All right, so that's that. And that was, oh, I already took off the thing. Let's see, what was that one? So that was the clean routine one. All right, so this is spring into clean. So I'm gonna cut the plastic off of this puppy. All right, so that's what this one looks like. And this one has the green here. And this is really heavy. Oh my God, this is packed. See what I mean? They're really, I mean, you don't pay for shipping, so it's $7, you know? I think it's just great. Another $3 off right there. All right, so the first thing that I'm seeing is this Resurfacing Overnight Treatment right here. This is from Acure. We can always use masks, so I'm not knocking that. So this is probably just one use here. Let's see what it says. Yep, it just says Acure Resurfacing Overnight Glycolic Treatment. All right, so we have that. It says Glycolic treatment refines and resurfaces skin while visibly improving tone and texture for a radiant, dewy complexion. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, so we have that. So then we have by Pacifica, this is the Glycolic Acid Orange Vanilla Makeup Removing Pads. So we have that. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I don't think it is. So this is 100% vegan and cruelty free. Yeah, it says wipes made with glycolic acid, coconut water, calendula, and aloe work to remove makeup and oil while helping get your glow on. All right, so then we have, this is from The Good Stuff. This is a complete repair balm. This is a no rinse conditioner, so a leave-on conditioner. And it's actually filled to the top, so you'll definitely get a few uses out of this. Oh yeah, look, it's filled up right to the top. It smells okay. I don't smell that much of a scent, but leave-on conditioner, you don't need a lot. I like to use these just for the ends of my hair. All right, so I'm excited for that. This is definitely full size. This is from Shea Moisture. This is a cannabis, hemp oil, and witch hazel with vitamin E skin rescue cream cleanser. Does not contain, let me try that again. Can't talk. Does not contain CBD oil or THC. So we have a full size product in here. So I'm happy to get that. And last but not least, this is a shampoo bar. I've never tried a shampoo bar. This is from Spring and Vine, Scalp Soothing Tea Tree and Mint. Crafted with shea butter and essential oils. So let's see. It says, soothing shampoo bar in a clarifying tea tree and mint scent cleanses hair, leaves locks fresh and clean. So this is vegan and cruelty free. So there we go. So white bar, and it says 69, 69, 69. Let me take it out of the plastic and maybe you can see better. If you guys can see, do you see where it says 69, 69, 69? Oh, that's too funny. All right, so doesn't really have that much of a scent either, but I'm really excited to use that. A shampoo bar. I've never heard of that. I guess it's for your scalp and everything. Get right up in there. All right, so let's recap what we got in this box. So we have a shampoo bar, which I'm really excited to use. We have a full-size Shea Moisture Cream Cleanser. Excited for that. We have a leave-in conditioner. We have some makeup removing pads, which I'm always excited to get. And then we have this overnight treatment right here. And then we also got the $3 off of $15 or more coupon. So like I said, you can always use these for your next month. So you can really pay $4. I just think they're great. So I'm really excited. So I got a box for me and then a box for my husband that I know he's going to love. So let me know what you guys get. Do you guys get the Target boxes? Do you get them every month? What do you think about them? Do you think they're worth the $7? Now I know a lot of you guys asked me about the Walmart beauty box. Now I know that comes quarterly. I haven't got that for probably about a year and a half. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys want me to purchase that and unbox that on our channel to see what it's all about? I know that's only $5. So really, I mean, you're just paying for shipping and everything is free. But let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will definitely order that. I have no problem with that. And please rate this video. So I always ask you guys at the end of the video, that way I know whether or not you guys want to see me. Let me try that again. That way I know that you guys want me to continue unboxing these on our channel. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these Target unboxings and you want to see me continue to do that. Give me a thumbs down if you're not really interested in Target boxes. The more thumbs downs than I get, then I know not to put this on our channel. And that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really, really appreciate it. It really helps me out every time you click on the video, when you rate the video, and when you comment. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. It's engagement. It really does help me out. So I really, really appreciate that so much. And if you like unboxings, I will put up here some more videos. I'll put right here my last video if you want to check that out, and some more videos if you want to check them out as well. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.